start off, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown, and her eyebrows are already full, but I'm just further filling them in where they need it. I'm also reshaping them towards the end and making them a bit thicker. Now I'm using my Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer, and I'm just using this to carve out the brows. This will also help cover stray hairs and make the brows look a bit cleaner. So before I put on any eyeshadow, I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm just applying this generously all over her eyelids. And now I'm just carving out the brows underneath again, just so everything blends out together. Now I'm using a buffing brush just to smooth out the edges of this base, and I'm patting it to make sure it's an even consistency all over the eyelid. Now I'm using the shade Guilty in my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette, and I'm just patting it down in the center of her eyelid. I'm just filling out the shape that I want to start this look. Doing the same to the other eye. As you can see, I've blended out the eyeshadow on the first eye, but I haven't gone too far up. Now I'm using the shade Funky in the same palette, and I'm blending out the edges of the eyeshadow. This is going to be the transition colour. Now I'm using my Inglot gel liner in shade 94, and I'm cutting out the cut crease. I've also mixed this with Duraline just to make it a runnier consistency. Let me know what you guys think down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.